red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. So kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J, the alphabets of J, and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use black color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last you draw 10. The numbers of 10: light green color, sky blue color, light green color, purple color, dark green color, yellow color, red color, brown color, and orange color. So okay, so now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. It's now you draw D, the alphabets of D. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. It's now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. It's now you draw K. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O, the alphabets of O. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R, the alphabets of R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V, the alphabets of V. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. And Z. Sky blue color, yellow color, purple color, light green color, orange color, light green color, brown color, pink color, blue color, dark green color, black color, and red color. So kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, 2. Kids, now you draw 3, the numbers of 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6, 7. Kids, now you draw 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11, 12. Kids, now you draw 13, the numbers of 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16, the numbers of 16, 17. Kids, now you draw 18, the numbers of 18, 19. And last we draw 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.